Everybody has their chili recipe. I have a few. This is my weeknight chili, and there's a twist at the end. It's called Fire and Ice Chili. You'll probably have seen it online. This is my weeknight warrior 5 or 6 ingredient version. So let's make it, and then let's wow you at the very end. This is the simplest chili. Onions, some red peppers, 1.5 pounds of crowd cow, grass-fed, pasture-raised, grain-finished beef. This cattle ate real food. They ate good food. And that's what I'm putting into my kids' bodies. I know where my meat is coming from, and that makes me feel good. It also makes for a really nice dinner conversation. Can of tomatoes, couple cans of beans, a little bit of chicken stock, tons of chili powder, couple tablespoons, maybe 2 or 3, and we let it simmer, you know, salt and pepper, let it simmer for 25 minutes. And now here's our ta-da ending. If you're gonna serve this to your family, if you're gonna serve this to your friends, I would suggest doing this step while someone's around because they're not gonna wanna miss it. We're gonna plop 3 scoops of chocolate ice cream right in the top of this chili. It's gonna give it a little sweetness, it's gonna give it a little depth, it's gonna give it a little Instagram excitement. People are not gonna know what hit them.